Utilizing Qwen, what you can also do is you can go ahead and then generate out movie scripts as you like. So to go ahead and do that, you need to go ahead and type in this. Let's say, for example, you can go ahead and say, generate out a movie script about a person climbing, let's say, for example, climbing a mountaintop and becoming famous right here, just like this. So you can simply go ahead and say generate out a movie script in a proper movie script format right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say, for example, the person is of Vietnamese origin. Let's say, for example, you can go ahead and then define the origin as well and give more details if you want. So let me just go ahead and hit the send button, and what Qwen does now is simply goes ahead and writes down the script in the format necessary, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can see the title right here, you can see the written by, and you can see like there's fade in, there's the exterior and dawn, as you can see right here, and all of the details of the script is here. For example, it says the sun rises over lush green rice paddies, mist drifting through the hills. Bird chirp as a young boy, Min Nguyen, runs barefoot across the field. He looks up at the distant mountains and soldiered in the cloud. Min's voiceover. When I was little, my father told me stories about the mountain spirit who watched over our village. They lived in the highest peak where no one dared to go, but I always dreamt of meeting them. So you can see that this is what you have right here. And then this is the movie script that is generated. And this is how you can go ahead and generate out movie script by using a few prompts in Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.